When you search for the best air fryer for a large family, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really works and what's just eye candy, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer caught my attention right away. Priced at $89.99, it offers a whopping 10-quart capacity, which means it's perfect for big family meals. If you want an all-in-one solution that can fry, roast, dehydrate, and even bake, this is worth a serious look. Imagine being able to whip up a family dinner in half the time. Plus, it uses 98% less oil than traditional fryers, making it a healthier choice. The 17 preset options mean anyone can cook a perfect meal in minutes, and the 48-inch cable gives you flexibility in positioning it on your countertop. With over 50,200 reviews and an impressive 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many families are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about its size being a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you have a large family, that extra space is actually a benefit because you can cook more at once. This air fryer is perfect for you if you're looking to save time and healthify your meals without sacrificing flavor. Skip this one if you have a very small kitchen and need something compact. For the price, it genuinely delivers great value. Now, if the Chefman's size concerns you, the next one on my list might actually be a better fit for smaller spaces while still catering to large meals. Product number 2: Ninja Foodi Air Fryer. Next up is the Ninja Foodi Air Fryer, priced at $159.99. With its 7-quart capacity and dual-zone technology, this air fryer can handle bigger proteins and meals, making it a solid choice for large families. If you want an appliance that can cook 2 dishes at once, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Flex basket allows you to cook with 2 separate baskets, so you can prepare a whole meal simultaneously without waiting. It can air fry with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying, which is a game changer for those trying to eat healthier. Plus, the 2 heating fans cook meals 40% faster than your oven. However, some users mention that the controls can be a bit tricky to get the hang of at first. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, the convenience of cooking multiple dishes at once far outweighs that initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maximize your meal prep time without compromising on flavor. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, single-basket design. It's a bit pricier, but the features you get definitely justify the cost. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually surprise you with its capacity. Product number 3: Cuisinart Air Fryer. The Cuisinart Air Fryer is another fantastic choice, coming in at $99.99. It features a 6-quart capacity, which is great for family dinners, and offers 5 cooking functions. If you need something versatile that fits a variety of cooking styles, this could be the air fryer for you. Why should you care? This air fryer has 1,800 watts of power, so it can easily handle cooking a 4-pound chicken or a couple of pounds of fries without any fuss. The easy-to-use touchscreen and 5 air frying presets simplify meal prep, making it quick and efficient to get dinner on the table. With a 4.6-star rating from over 3,300 reviews, users are clearly happy with its performance. But some have pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. I'll be real with you, while it can be distracting, it's not a deal-breaker considering how well it cooks. Plus, the quality of meals it produces definitely outweighs the sound. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, multifunctional air fryer that still performs well. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger capacity, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're interested in a more unique approach to cooking, the next product has some fascinating features that might catch your eye. Product number 4: Casari Dual Air Fryer. Let's talk about the Casari Dual Air Fryer, which retails for $169.99. It boasts a 9-quart capacity with 2 baskets, making it a perfect option for families who want to prepare different meals simultaneously. If you're juggling various tastes and dietary needs, this might be just what you need. The sync cook and finish feature ensures that everything is done at the same time, so no one is left waiting for their meal. Plus, it uses 85% less oil than traditional frying methods. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clearly doing something right. Some users did mention that the size may require extra counter space. But honestly, if you're cooking for a family, that space is well worth it for the convenience of preparing multiple dishes at once. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of dietary preferences in your family and want to keep flavors separate. Skip this one if you need something compact, but if you have the space, it's an excellent investment. Now, if you're looking for something that can do even more, the last product is a true powerhouse. Product number 5, Gluck Air Fryer Oven. Finally, we have the Gluck Air Fryer Oven priced at $129.99. With a massive 20-quart capacity, it's designed for families who need to cook large meals quickly. If you're hosting gatherings or simply have a big family, this appliance deserves your attention. Why is this important? This air fryer oven offers 10 cooking functions, including roasting, dehydrating, and even toasting. With 1,800 watts of power and a design that circulates hot air, it promises crispy exteriors and juicy interiors every time. The large capacity means you can easily fit a whole chicken or a full meal in one go. It has a 4.3-star rating from 875 reviews, showing that it's a popular choice for those needing extra space. However, some users mention that it can be a bit complex to operate initially. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to learn it, the versatility and size make it worth every second of the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you regularly cook for large gatherings or want an all-in-one appliance. Skip this one if you have limited countertop space, but for the price and functionality, it's hard to beat. So those are my top picks for the best air fryers for large families. Each one offers something unique, so consider what features matter most to you before making your choice. To recap, we have the Chefman multifunctional air fryer for versatile cooking, the Ninja Foodi for dual cooking options, the Cuisinart for budget-friendly versatility, the Casari for catering to different tastes, and the Gluck for massive capacity. Each of these air fryers has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your family's needs best.